Hello and welcome to another lesson. Today, let's take a look at a continuation of the lessons that we started. JavaScript output. We've talked about inner HTML and inner text. We've talked about document dot write. I want us to see another thing today, all under the same JavaScript output. I want us to see how we can use JavaScript to print documents on the page, and as well as how we can see the output of our code in the console, as well as how we can use alerts to see things on the screen. I think I wouldn't want to say all of us, but I want to believe that most of us during browsing or during visiting other people's website would have come across what alert does as we progress in this lesson. So I'm going to just clear the screen so that we can start afresh in this file. So what I will do is I will just go under my documents root and make another folder, and I will just name it JS output continue, JS output. Then inside it, I make an index.html, and I will put an HTML skeleton as usual. I will call it JavaScript output. I will just make an header, each one. I'll call it JavaScript output. Now, with what I've made, I just want us to see it in the browser as usual. I'll open it with my live server so that I can see it in my browser, and you can see I'm having an H1. So the first one I'll be talking about is just the alert method. So I can use button and I can put it in an inline JavaScript, but let me use button so that we can see how easy it is to do this thing. Button type, yeah, button type. This I can omit it. The browser will still understand it and it will work. On click equals, what do I want to use? So I want to use a window method in order to be, I want to use window method in order to be able to show alerts in my browser. So window dot alert. So I'll call it like a function and put this open and close bracket in front of it. Then I want to put the text and say click in my browser. Then I'll close the button. Okay, the button is already closed. Yeah, look at it. So if you look at my browser, you can see the output. Click me. So if I click on it, can you see? So I bet for some of us, we might have seen this on website that we have visited in the past. So this is how you can use alert to see output in your browser. Then there's another one called print. That is if you want to print. Now you will see by the time I click on click me, you'll see you can see that my page is already getting prepped to be printed. So this is how you use print in your code. And if you want to see things in your console as well, you just call the console method, console dot log. I want to add two number 5 plus 8, 7. And then let me see the output. Sorry. So I'll close it. And then I can put output equals 12. So now you can see I am getting this error in my browser. Yeah, let me refresh it. And that's because of this. I'll take it off. This inside a script tag. And I will move my console inside. You can see it has disappeared from the page. So let's now check our console. Right click, check on the page and see if we have the correct answer. Can you see? You can see, I want to pick a pen. You can see 12. So which is the addition of 5 plus 7. So this is how you can use console to check the output of your variable. This is actually useful for debugging purposes, especially when you are writing your program and you are trying to solve things or you are trying to figure out things. So console.log is a place where developer go to, check out for issues or errors in their code so that they'll be able to fix it. Thank you for sticking around. I'll see you in the next one as we continue in JavaScript.